if you're experiencing sync errors on ClickUp, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems that may be causing the sync errors. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Step 2. Refresh ClickUp. Sometimes, simply refreshing the ClickUp app or web page can resolve sync errors. Close the app or browser tab and reopen it, or click the refresh button to reload the page. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. If you're using a web browser, clearing your cache and cookies can help eliminate any stored data that may be causing conflicts. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data and select cache and cookies. Step 4. Update ClickUp. Make sure you are using the latest version of ClickUp. Check for updates in the App Store or on the ClickUp website. Updating the app can fix bugs and improve performance, which may resolve sync issues. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to ClickUp support for assistance. Provide them with details about the sync errors you're experiencing, and they can help troubleshoot the issue further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve sync errors on ClickUp efficiently. If you continue to have issues, don't hesitate to seek help from the ClickUp support team.